In this video, I'll show you how to fix the no incoming sound error on Discord so you can finally hear your friends again. First, open your user settings by clicking the gear icon and head to Voice and Video. Look at the output device at the top. Even if it says default, manually click the dropdown and select your actual speakers or headset. To verify it's working, click the Let's Check button and see if you hear the Discord test sounds. If that doesn't work, we need to address the 2026 Windows audio endpoint bug. Scroll down to the audio subsystem setting. Change it from standard to legacy. Discord will ask to restart. Click OK. This uses an older, more stable audio route that bypasses the newer Windows 11 handshake issues that often block incoming sound. Next, check your volume mixer. On Windows, right-click the sound icon in your taskbar and select Open Volume Mixer. Scroll down to find Discord and ensure its output volume isn't muted or set to a disconnected device. In 2026, Windows sometimes reroutes Discord audio to virtual monitors or webcams by mistake. Finally, if you are on mobile and can't hear a stream, tap the screen during the call, select the volume icon, and ensure the media volume slider is turned up. Also, check that your app is updated to the latest version, as Discord now requires end-to-end encryption support for all voice calls as of March 2026. And that's it! Your audio should be back to normal. If this fixed your problem, please leave a like and subscribe for more Discord troubleshooting. Thanks for watching!